Missing someone.
Good morning, my loves. How are you doing? If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Mama Ntilie, aka Mtoto wa Homa Bay County. So today we're going to make fish wet fry stroke fish stew. So the ingredients are don't worry about the top of that tomato. We are going to remove them in a few if you're bothered by them. If you're not, you can just blend them all together. So in case you didn't get it, I blended 1 onion, the tomatoes, 1 bell pepper, garlic, ginger, turmeric, added some water and blended them all together. We are using 2 onions, but I blended 1, so the other one we are going to fry it, just like as you can see right here. After the onions have sauteed nicely, we are going to add in our mixture, the blended mixture in here. So we are going to let that simmer for at least 7 minutes. So if you're adding in other spices like Royco cube or cumin, this is the part where you add in so that you can let them simmer together for at least 7 minutes before you add in your fish. We are adding in our fish and then we're going to let that simmer again for another 7 minutes before our fish is ready to be served. Okay, our fish is now ready. Don't let the camera lie to you. That soup is kidogo. The camera makes it look like it's a lot of soup, but it's not. We're now going to serve it in a plate. Basically, this recipe can be used to make fish stew, fish wet fry, and if you like fish made the traditional way, I also have a video. I'll leave it in the description box. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye.